Negative reviews can feel like a punch to your business's reputation, especially when they're unfair, fake, or malicious. But don't panic. Today we're sharing exactly how to remove negative reviews when possible and restore your reputation with smart, proven strategies. Before taking action, determine if the review violates the platform's guidelines. Look for signs like false claims or defamation, inappropriate language, personal attacks, spam or fake profiles. If it breaks the rules, you have grounds to request removal. Most platforms, including Google, Yelp, and Trustpilot, allow you to flag and report reviews. Submit your case clearly and professionally, explaining why the review violates their policies. If a negative review is genuine but fair, respond calmly. Thank the reviewer for their feedback. Acknowledge their concern. Offer to resolve the issue offline. Future customers will notice your professionalism, and that can rebuild trust even faster than a perfect score. Dilute negativity with authentic positivity. Ask satisfied customers to leave honest reviews. Make it easy by providing links. Follow up after successful service delivery. A surge of new positive reviews can push down the visibility of a few bad ones. If a review ranks high in Google, you can suppress it by creating fresh SEO-optimized content, like blog posts, news articles, and social media profiles tied to your brand name. A few bad reviews don't have to define your brand. With the right steps, you can remove, respond, recover, and come back stronger than ever. A few bad reviews don't have to define your brand. With the right steps, you can remove, respond, recover, and come back stronger than ever. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Need immediate help managing negative reviews? Visit leakcontentremoval.com. We're here to protect your reputation.